Welcome to From a Hobbyist to a Thriving Artist 30-day challenge. This is day number 10, and today we are talking about niche. When you say niche, it's basically this. You need to narrow down to a theme to get expertise in a subject, and it has to be in the cross-section of all these characteristics. First, minimal competition. If there's high competition in that area, you're less likely to be noticed. So you want to be noticed, you want to reach people, and that's why we need minimal competition here. Personally and professionally satisfying. As an artist coach, I love doing my job because I find it professionally satisfying because it pays my bills. I find it personally satisfying because this is what I want to do. I like helping people overcoming their self-doubt and helping them make successful decisions in their art business. High profit potential, of course, it's a must. Solves a practical need. Let's think about, as an artist, what could solve a practical need, right? For example, you are commissioned and you're going to make this piece for a new home of your customer. That solves a practical need. That customer needs to look at that painting and get lost, or remember good memories, or build new good memories by looking at that painting. We truly solve a lot of potential needs with our art. And finally, there should be a strong market demand. As artists, it is really hard to niche down because we want to try everything. We want to do every medium maybe, or every subject. We want to try at least once. But being all over the place might hurt us, especially when a person wants to buy art from us. Let's say we want to commission an oil painting. I found 2 oil painting artists on Instagram, and their expertise levels are almost the same. And I need to decide on one of them because they give me exactly the same price too. What am I going to do? I look at their profile, and one of them does oil painting, acrylic, and then also some drawing, some anime. The account is all over the place. The second one is all oil painting, and he focuses on portraits, and they're all females. It's perfect for me because I'm going to commission my mom's portrait. So I choose the one who had a specific niche, who is not all over the place, and who I trust that will deliver what I'm looking for in the end. It wasn't that the other artist was bad or I didn't like their work. It was just the artist that I chose seemed to be more focused on what I am looking for. As artists, we have different ways of niching down. This is our advantage. For example, we can niche down according to our medium. It can be oil painting, acrylic, or colored pencils, whatever. It can depend on the subject, it can depend on our color palette, or it can depend on style that we created ourselves. So you have many ways to niche down. As today's challenge, please decide on your niche today. How would you niche down? What would be your specific niche if you could choose one? And don't worry, you can always change your mind later.